Mary, look at that dog. He's alone near the park.
Oh no, he looks so thin and scared.
I think he lives on the street. No collar, no owner.
Poor thing, what do we do?
We can take him to the vet first. Check if he's okay.
And after that?
Well, maybe we keep him.
John, really? You always said no pets.
I know, but look at him. He needs a home.
He is very cute. What is his name?
You choose.
Lucky. His name is Lucky.
Perfect. Come here, Lucky. You are safe now.
We need food, a bed, toys.
I know. Let's go to the pet store.
This is a big change, John.
Yes, but a good one.
I think so too. Welcome home, Lucky.